Welcome to 7 Steaks of Summer, where we feature a wonderful certified Angus beef steak each week. Certified Angus Beef brand is the only brand of beef you're going to find at Acme Fresh Market. Not all Angus beef is equal. Look for the logo to make sure you get the best quality possible. This week's cut is lean and a great value. It's the top sirloin steak. It's a versatile cut. I like to serve it whole as a steak or slice it super thin and serve it with a salad. Top sirloin also takes well to rubs and marinades. Here's one of my favorite recipes for a top sirloin steak with herb marinade. Visit your local Acme Fresh Market and enjoy all the steaks of summer.